Mommy,
Then, he did.
he did.
Okay, you read na.
He did wake up. Is going outside. And he found a bird. Mommy, ano ni
It's a bird. Shadow of the... Ano yan? Ay, it's a butterfly. I don't know. What's that? I think it's a bird. Shadow ng bird.
There's a bird.
Shadow.
Kaya gani.
Hindi, shadow ba? Anino?
Ano ne?
Sige na, continue na reading.
Kita sa bid. Mami, kita sa bidi. Mami, kita sa bid. Si Chloe. Mami, si Chloe, mami.
Si Chloe? Anong pangalan? Sino si Chloe?
Di ba, mama ni si Chloe? Bizmansa. Bizmansa. Di ba, Bizmansa?
Okay. Pangalan pala ni B is Chloe. Where? Nabasa mo, ha? Saan? Ay, okay. Sige, continue.
Oh, what is that? It's a butterfly. Oh, don't fly away. We are best friends. He's a kita butterfly. Oh, his mom.
Nice one.
His baby. And his mama, mama ya. Mama ya. Kagbalik din sila sa house nila.
Ay, nagbalik na sila sa house. What's that?
Doon sila sa nest.
Okay, they go back to their nest.
The end.
Okay, the end. Good job. Dapat mag-practice na tabasa na. Remember mo yung sound? Wait lang. Taas ko daw, be. What is this na ko?
May W man ko sa name ko?
Shania Angeli. Wala,
May Shania man ko sa W.
Ang gani. How do you read this,
Shania Angeli ba yan? Mami, mabasa ko sa name. Shania Angeli Rantos Mandape.
Okay. When little mouse ventures out, how do you read this?
Out.
This one. Of. Oh, this one. How do you read this? Oh, dali. This one. Oh, you're not looking at the word, man. Oh, what is the sound of that word?
My H man ka.
Opo, may H ka man. Oh, how do you read that?
My eman ko. My S man ko.
Oh, how do you read this? The sound dyan, nak. What is the sound? Nak, how do you read this? Oh, the sound niya. Hanak. Do you know how to read this one? Sige daw, be.
Story doon.
Oh, story ka na. Read mo na ito. Kaya mo? Look, the sound mo na.
Mami!
What? What's that? Wala na, Ito na, nak. Oh. Sige na kayo, flashlight ko. Nak. Kaya ma-read daw yun ko, ah. I'm gonna read this one. Do you want me to read it? Oh, you read muna this, oh.
Hindi ko kabalo.
Sound mo muna, sound. Sige na.
Hindi yung sound.
Ote, sige, ano, hay?
Mami, ABCD ko. A, B, C, D, B, P, sila.
Kasi, B, T.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
How about this one?
Yes, J, K,
How do you read this?
P,
S.
Q, R,
Ito na.
S, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Naman, my A, B, C. Next, I want to sing with me.
What's that? Oh, ito, ano ito? Sound. Oh, her.
Roar.
Oh, her.
Four.
Very good. Oh, this one.